Remember how fun learning used to be when science meant slime and art meant glitter everywhere? The team behind the Collab-Lab is bringing that kind of hands-on fun right to Houston neighborhoods. It's a classroom on wheels filled with color, curiosity, and creativity. Great Day's Carlos Hernandez is live inside the Collab-Lab to show us how they're bringing learning to life for local families. Good morning, Carlos.
Hey, good morning, Deborah. Well, yes, welcome to the Collab-Lab. We're going to go inside in just a little second. I do want to talk to Alexis Alexander, who is kind of overseeing all of this. Now, you've been doing this for a while. Elaborate a little bit, what is Collab-Lab? Because if I see this, I'm very curious. I'm like, oh, I want to go check this out. This is really cool.
Collab-Lab is our mobile learning lab for families and children of birth to 5 years old, where they can come on and learn STEAM activities, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, and social emotional learning. Which
is so important at such a young age. I mean, from birth to 5, that's the most critical time that a child needs to pick up these skills.
Correct, it is. It's the basis, the foundation of them being able to be school ready.
Well, I do see one robot that's kind of caught my attention. This is just one of the many things that you guys have to offer. Who is this robot right here?
That is Pepper. She talks to you, she interacts with you, she dances with you, and it's also one of the ones that we use for our neurodivergent learners.
So again, this is really helping all levels, all abilities. Now, I do want to walk in. I want to show the rest of our viewers some other amazing things that you guys have to offer. So Alexis, why don't you go first? While she's going up, hey Pepper, can you tell us a joke? Pepper's a little shy right now, but again,
the robot's favorite kind of music.
What is it?
Heavy metal.
So again, this is just one of the many interactive things that you guys can find here with the Collab-Lab. Of course, this is all about educating, informing. They are learning a little bit of science. They're learning about engineering, technology, math. This is all available, again, free for the public.
Yes, free for the public. Like I said, everything is basically for them to be able to be school ready, and empowering parents as teachers, then that you are your child's first teacher. You don't have to start at an early learning center, but you can do the same exact work that they're doing in a certain center here on Collab-Lab or at home.
Yeah, Alexis, I want something that caught my eye right here earlier. It's all about sensory, not play, but education. Some of the things that they'll be participating in. What is this right here?
Yes, that's our augmented sand table. So they're learning about the geographics, the mountains, the water, and every time you move the sand, it makes the water bigger or makes the mountains bigger. So again, everything is all learning through play. That's the best way for your children to learn, is learning through play.
Learning through play. Look, listen, I am learning so much today. Aside from this, I do want to talk about the technology part, because you guys are also very tech savvy, and for some of these students, they don't have the accessibility. Oh, look at this, guys.
Sensory. All about sensory. Again, we want to be able to reach all learners. Every kid don't learn the same. Everything is different about what they need in order to learn. Sometimes it may be a sensory way for them to learn. Sometimes it's touch. It all depends on the child. So we want to be able to meet every learner here on Collab-Lab.
I'm having way too much fun right now. Okay, well, I'm going to take you to the back of the bus, guys. Again, while you're interacting, you're touching things, you're feeling things, you're learning. It's all going to be available for all ages. Now, I do want to introduce you guys to Donnell Reed. He's the IT manager also for Collab-Lab. But before we get to Donnell, I see Now here. Hey Now, how are you doing today?
Television. Are you Deborah?
I am not Deborah Dunk. I'm actually Carlos Hernandez, but we do kind of look a little alike, right? That's a no. Now says no. Donnell, this is just one of the many things that they can find here as well. Why is it so important to get technology involved at such a young age?
Well, it's the exposure. With the exposure to children at a early age, we can take advantage of it, and it will carry on into the future. So this robot here has early education and assessments. So it's a wonderful tool.
Again, one of the many resources that you guys have available. Alexis, really quick, if people want more information or they want to find where you guys are located, where can they go for that?
They can go on our website for Collaborate for Children. They can email me, aalexander@collab4children, and we can come out to you.
Email you, Alexander.
Oh, look, see, Now's over here responding. Again, guys, if you guys want more information about Collab-Lab or where you can find them in the greater Houston area, visit greatdayhouston.com. But before we go to break, hey, Now, why don't you send us to commercial break?
Keep watching more Great Day Houston after the break. Sorry, I don't get